Today, I'm going to teach you how to add links to navigation in Squarespace. This is a great way to direct visitors to external pages, files, or contact information right from your main menu, making your site more functional and user-friendly. First, open your browser and head over to squarespace.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. This will take you to your main dashboard where you can see all the websites connected to your account. Once you're on your homepage, you'll see a list of your websites. Simply click on the website where you want to add links to the navigation. This will open up the editor for that specific site, giving you full access to customize and manage your pages and settings. Now look over to the left side of your screen. You'll see a menu with several options. Click on Website, and directly under it, you'll find Pages. Go ahead and click on Pages. This section controls all the pages and navigation structure of your site, so it's where we'll be making our changes. In the Pages panel, you'll now see your main navigation listed. Right beside it, there's a plus icon. Click on that plus icon to start adding a new item to your navigation menu. This is how Squarespace lets you expand your menu with custom links. After clicking the plus icon, a menu will appear on the left side with different options you can add. Scroll down through these options until you see Link, then click on it. This option allows you to add external URLs, files, email addresses, or phone numbers directly into your navigation. Now you'll be prompted to give your link a title. This is the text that will appear in your navigation menu, so make it clear and descriptive. Once you've entered the title, look below at the URL field. You'll notice it's actually a drop-down menu. Click on it and you'll see several options including URL, file, email, and phone. Choose the one that fits what you're linking to. For example, if you're linking to an external website, select URL and paste the web address. After setting up your link, you'll see an option that lets you choose whether the link opens in a new tab. If you want visitors to stay on your site while the link opens in a separate window, simply enable this option by toggling it on. This is especially useful for external links. Once you're happy with everything, click Save. This will add your new link to the main navigation of your Squarespace site. Your visitors will now be able to see and click on this link directly from your menu. And that's it. You've successfully added a custom link to your Squarespace navigation, giving your site more flexibility and better usability. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.